I've been using the Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture set for a while now. And in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it actually delivers on comfort and convenience in 2025. This kit is designed to help denture wearers reline their dentures at home using a soft silicone material that claims to improve fit and reduce irritation. The application process is fairly straightforward. It comes with clear instructions, and the material is soft and flexible, which does help cushion sore spots and reduce pressure. For anyone struggling with loose-fitting dentures, it can offer some short-term relief without needing to visit a dentist. But here's the catch. While the idea sounds great, the reality is a bit mixed. First, this is not a professionally endorsed product, so you're basically relying on a DIY fix with no dental oversight. The silicone doesn't always bond well with every denture type, and some users, including myself, notice that it can peel off or lose its grip after a few days. Also, if you're expecting a long-term solution, this probably isn't it. Another issue is the customer support. Getting help or a refund if something goes wrong isn't exactly easy. And while the product is marketed as cost-effective, replacing it frequently could end up costing more than a proper dental reline over time. So overall, the Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture set is a decent temporary option if you're in a pinch or can't get to a dentist. It offers quick relief, especially for minor discomfort, but don't expect professional-grade results. If you're thinking about trying it, just know what you're getting into and maybe keep your expectations in check. I hope this review helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.